Okay, hi guys, welcome back to QBT. Today we are going to be continuing our Lecky series with big series, by the way. A lot of stuff on electricity. We're breaking it down in steps for you, but today's step is about charge. Okay, so we're going to be looking at charge. We talked about charge a little bit in our last video, so if you haven't checked that out, we talked about current and how it relates to charge. If you haven't checked that out, then do check it out. It's linked in the description below and it will help you understand this video. So we talked about how charge is the rate of flow of current per unit time, right? So how much current is flowing in a given amount of time, okay? And this is the equation that we use to calculate charge, okay? And it's Q is equal to I times T, okay? So charge is equal to current times time, or current is equal to charge divided by time, or time is equal to charge divided by current, okay? So the equation is not too complicated, but we need to know the units for each of the variables in our equation, okay? We have standardized units in physics, which means that we always convert back to the original unit, okay? And we need to know those standardized units. So for charge, the standardized unit is this big C, which represents coulombs, okay? And that's because the scientist that discovered charge was Coulomb, something Coulomb. I'm not sure. We'll find out. And then T we know is always in seconds. Time is always in seconds, so make sure we're converting to seconds. And then current we know is always in amps, okay? So with all this information, let's see how we can use that in an exam style question. Check this out. Okay, so let's approach this question. Find the charge for a current of 6 amps that passes in 2 minutes. Okay, so I have my current, which is 6 amps, and I have my time, which is 2 minutes, but I need that to be in seconds, okay? And we know that because there are 60 seconds in 1 minute, 60 seconds in 1 minute, if we're going from minutes to seconds, we multiply by 60, like this, right? From 1 to 60, we multiply by 60. So we multiply this by 60, and we get 120 seconds. Then we use our equation, right? IQT. And we think to ourselves, okay, what are we looking for? Well, we're looking for charge, right? We're looking for Q, and we know that Q is equal to I times T, which means we have 6 times 120. Okay, for those of you that are good at your maths and can do this in your head, you will know that the answer is 720, and the unit for charge is the big letter C, which is coulombs. Okay, coulombs. Right, so that is how we use our charge equation to find the charge from current and time. Okay guys, so I hope you found that helpful. That was just one example of how you can use this equation that we have here. I would encourage you to go away and do it again with different numbers and look for different variables too, right? Try and rearrange the equation on your own. Use the triangle to like double check your answers, but try not to rely too much on it. I use it more as a mnemonic to help me remember the equation. But yeah, that's it for today. So as always, please like and subscribe, share, helps us grow as a channel, get more content to you, you lovely people. But yeah, in the meantime, I guess we'll see you in the next video. And remember to stay quantum. Bye guys.